You guys, sugar is the devil and it is everywhere. And I want to teach you how to get it under control. So if sugar has been a demon for you, I want you to join my 21-day Get the Sugar Out Challenge. In fact, I want to show you. Can I tell you something? Sugar really is everywhere and in foods that you don't expect it to be in. Okay, so let's just talk about macaroni and cheese, all right? First of all, let's just talk about the fact that why are there cute little Disney figures on the front of my mac and cheese trying to tempt my children into eating it? Because, and again, guess what? On the back, we find out that well, first of all, what's all this? They've now separated out the label into two confusing columns for you so that maybe you won't know there's as much sugar in it as there is. And why is there sugar in mac and cheese? Oh, because sugar's an addictive substance, and once you start eating it, you can't stop. So this one box becomes, instead of a whole box, it becomes one serving. So in this, it says as packaged, there are 7 grams of sugar per serving, but as prepared, there are actually 9 grams of sugar per serving in macaroni and cheese. So if you want to get sugar out, if you want to learn about where sugar lives, if you want to learn all the tomfoolery that is going on in the food world, I want you to join me for the 21-day Get the Sugar Out Challenge. It kicks off with a live webinar with me. I will teach you everything. Then we will work together for 21 days in a live community with coaching support, worksheets, you name it, and we will simply get the sugar out. So if you want to join me, it starts Monday, June 14th at 8 p.m. It is just $19.99, and we have a blast, so join us there.